DJI has been on a roll lately, launching multiple new products in just a matter of days. They recently unveiled the RS4 Mini, the Osmo Mobile 7, and an upgraded version, the Osmo Mobile 7P. The Osmo Mobile 7P, in particular, is already available for purchase at $149 on Amazon. These releases alone would be enough to keep tech enthusiasts excited, but it turns out DJI isn't stopping there. According to well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov, DJI has even more action cameras lined up. Two major devices are reportedly in the pipeline: the Osmo 360 and the Osmo Action 6. The Osmo 360 is set to be DJI's first-ever 360-degree action camera, aiming to compete directly with industry giants like the Insta360 X4 and the GoPro Max 2025. GoPro's latest update to the Max series was relatively minor, with just a few hardware tweaks, making DJI's entry into the 360-degree space even more exciting. If DJI manages to bring something fresh to the table, the Osmo 360 could shake up the competition. Then there's the Osmo Action 6, which appears to be DJI's next move in the traditional action camera space. This model is expected to take on the GoPro Hero 13 Black, setting up another major rivalry in the action cam market. However, the introduction of the Osmo Action 6 raises some questions about DJI's own lineup, particularly regarding the Osmo Action 5 Pro. The launch of the Osmo Action 6 puts DJI in an interesting position. On one hand, it immediately makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro feel like an older model overnight. Typically, when a company releases a successor, the previous version either gets discontinued or receives a price cut. However, as of now, there's no indication that DJI plans to discontinue the Action 5 Pro anytime soon. This suggests that both models may coexist for now, potentially offering different features or price points to cater to a wider range of users. Beyond these upcoming action cameras, there's also talk of another mysterious device, the Osmo Nano. Unlike the Osmo 360 and Action 6, there are no solid leaks, images, or specifications available for this product yet. It remains a complete wild card, with only whispers and speculation floating around. Whether it turns out to be a completely new category of product or just another variation of DJI's existing lineup is still unknown. As for when these new cameras will hit the market, the timeline is still uncertain. Leaked test shots suggest that DJI isn't quite ready to make them official just yet, meaning we might have to wait a little longer for an official announcement. Until then, speculation will continue, and anticipation will build among action camera enthusiasts. So, is DJI gearing up for a game-changing year in the action camera industry, or are they simply overloading the market with too many choices? Either way, it's clear that they're pushing forward aggressively, and only time will tell how these new releases shape the competition. That wraps up everything we know so far about DJI's latest releases and upcoming action cameras. With the RS4 Mini, Osmo Mobile 7, and Osmo Mobile 7P already out and two potential game-changers, the Osmo 360 and Osmo Action 6, on the horizon, DJI seems to be making big moves in the camera industry. The rumored Osmo Nano adds another layer of mystery, leaving us wondering what else they might have up their sleeves. For now, we'll have to wait and see how DJI positions these new products in the market. Will they go head-to-head with GoPro and Insta360, or will they carve out their own niche? More importantly, will the Osmo Action 5 Pro remain relevant alongside the Osmo Action 6, or is it only a matter of time before it gets phased out? These are questions we'll be keeping a close eye on as more details emerge. What do you think? Is DJI on track to dominate the action camera market, or are they simply throwing too many options at consumers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest leaks, rumors, and in-depth breakdowns, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.